Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be playing with the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz Eyeshadow palette. Now, if you didn't know, or if you didn't watch my previous video, I revisited my Sephora haul from last fall just because I wanted to see if, you know, my purchase were valid, I guess. Or if it was worth it in a sense. And you know, I confessed that I only used this palette one time. So yeah, we gotta work on it. I have to work on that. So I'm going to be creating a look for today using this palette. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So like I mentioned in my introduction, I'm going to be playing with this palette. I only used it one time, so yeah, I don't know what to expect. I'm sure it's the same quality from Huda Beauty. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Why don't we just jump in? Let's see. What do I want to do today? So yeah, why don't we get started? So I've moisturized my face and I used the Sunday Fridays Jet Lag mask. I love this for the winter time just because my face is a little dry. So this is really hydrating. I love it. I know it says a mask, but you can use it however you want to. I usually use it as a moisturizer and it works. Keeps my skin very hydrated, which I love. And then I also applied my Tatcha the Liquid Silk Canvas Primer. I'm almost out of it, so I'm trying to finish it. But this is a good primer if you want to, you know, even out your complexion. And this is really good for to prep your skin before makeup. So everything could go on nicely. I prefer the balm one. I don't know. I feel like it makes that primer makes my face look flawless. But I mean, this works, but I feel like this makes me oily throughout the day even more. But anyways, I'm almost done. And then I did my eyebrows as well with nothing new. I used my ABH Brow Wiz in Ebony. I also used the duo powder in the shade Ebony as well. Then I carved out the bottom of my eyebrows and primed the lids with MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre, and then I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on the eyes, and now I'm just gonna jump in to the palette. So okay, so I'm gonna use the shade Happiness, which is this shade right here, and I'm gonna use that in my crease. And I'm going to be using the Morphe x Ariel blending brush. This is the A11. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my crease. Now with the same blending brush, I'm going to use the color Cherish, which is this light pale pink right here. I'm going to use that shade to blend out the crease shade, which was Happiness. Alrighty, like so. Now I'm going to use, and today I feel like I want to do a soft glam. I still have to go into work, so I'm not trying to go in all crazy. But okay, so now I'm going to use the color Gratitude, which is this like light brown right here, and I'm gonna apply that shade to the outer part of my lid. So here it looks like a light brown, but it's actually coming off a little more mauve on the lid, which is pretty. Alright, I don't know why I put my crease brush away. So I'm just gonna use my crease brush to blend this out. I kind of want to use a little bit more depth. So I'm gonna use the color Aura, which is the color right next to the one we used, this one. And I'm going to use that shade in the most outer part of my lid, like right here. See if it does anything. It does. It got a little darker. And again, it's not a brown. It's like a dark mauve color. I'm just patting, because I'm not trying to have that color all over the outer part. I just want it right here. Okay, so I think that looks pretty. Okay, so I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Intensify Artistry wand. I'm going to apply this to the lid right here. Okay, so I think I'm going to use the color Joy, which is this pink color, all over the lid. And then maybe towards the inner corner, I'll use this color right here, which is Self-Love. So this is Joy, and this is Self-Love. See how pretty they are? Very pretty. Okay, so I'm going to go in with that pink color. Joy. Such a pretty color. And then I'm going to go in with the color Self-Love right here in this inner part of the lid. I'm going to blend those two shades together. And then I just blend that shade into the Gratitude and Aura color that we have going on the end part of the crease. So I'm going to go in with that shader brush. It's the it's the A20, and I'm just going to blend with no additional product that color into that Joy color, like so. Okay, so I'm going to grab this really tiny precise shader brush. This is the Morphe x Mickey and Friends eye brush. This is the MM1. So I'm going to grab the color Joy, which was that pink color. And I'm going to try and apply it, well, clean up the edges. That's such a beautiful pink. Alrighty, so this is what the eyeshadow looks like. I'm gonna jump off camera and finish the face and the eyes, and then I'll come back and show you the final result. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? So pretty. So pretty. It's pink, it's girly. I'm really happy I used this palette. These shimmers are so pretty. So pretty. But yes, I'm really happy that I used it. I can't not believe that it's been a year since I got this, and I only used it one time, and I used one shade. This one. But yeah, like as you can see, it's a pretty girly look. So pretty. But yeah, I'm really happy that I used it. I'm looking forward to doing more looks. I might do like a monochromatic look, even though this kind of is too, because I have kind of like a rosy lip, and of course like a pink blush. But yeah, I'm so happy I used it. But yeah, I really enjoyed today's eye look. I hope you did as well. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one.